Bhattacharya and I have been coming here for the last 2.5 years.
I'm Narayani Bhattacharya and I've also been coming here for 2.5 years with Mother.
Basically, why I came was firstly, it was important for my daughter because she had BP issues as well as PCOS and she had put on a lot of weight. The doctor told me that it was necessary for her to lose weight. As for me, I had also put on a lot of weight. I have thyroid issues and BP issues also I had at that time. And even for me, my doctor had told me to lose weight. So combining, we thought we'd look for some dietitian and
Luckily, we found her.
yeah, so impact has been massive. Physical, definitely. Psychological, also. Immense changes we have experienced. First of all, we lost weight so much. I was 91.7 kgs and now I stand at around 70. And my daughter, she was 79.8. Now she's standing at around 64. So, massive weight changes. And along with the change in weight, when we are being greeted by people, we are now more easily mixing with people, going to parties, going to different places, wearing all sorts of clothes, which we have not been doing for all these years because we thought that we are overweight and we can't suit into any kind of dress. So that's a huge change for us. And then we had never thought that dieting could be so much of fun. I have learned so many types of cooking, so many recipes, and actually I am sharing them with my relatives and all, and who are really surprised. We never knew that dieting could be so much of fun till we came to Vipasha, honestly.
We actually considered dieting as a young one. I always thought that dieting was not for us because it was something which was really negative and mono dieting was the fad trend at that time. So when we came here, I was all prejudiced and stereotyped and thinking whether Didi will be able to give me the correct diet or not, because I'm a very choosy person and a foodie person and I was fat at that time and I had high BP. So taking all that together and bearing with me with all my tactics and giving me the right thing at the right time, consoling me that I will lose weight in spite of all the cheating which I did. So obviously the change has been really a lot deeper than I had thought. Now not just losing weight but also in my work, in whatever I'm doing, in my studies, every way, in all the diets that I have followed, I've always felt that it is not about just being lighter, but it is also about the mind as well, and what the people think of you also changes with dieting a lot.
I would like to add here some that not just the two of us, my husband has also been coming here. He came here for 6 months. I was having a lot of problem because he is a diabetic and his count was always above 7.5. HbA1c was always above 7.5 to 8 because of which he had tremendous health issues, and we brought him here only for 6 months. Within that 6 months his HbA1c went down to 6.3, and since then it has not increased. He has been following that diet till now and he is much lighter in weight, much better in health. I'm so happy for that. And as far as I am concerned, my BP medicines are absolutely stopped. I don't have to take BP medicines anymore. And only thyroid, obviously thyroid medicine cannot be stopped, so I have to take. But even my daughter, all of us, the entire family, we have experienced so much of lightness in every way, to put it that way, that we are actually extremely grateful to Vipasha for that.
Yes.
And not only that, seeing us, so many people have been inspired that they can also do the same thing. Like, she is young, but me being over 50, that I have been able to lose weight in spite of being a thyroid patient, that has been quite an eye-opener for a lot of people.